Hi everyone, welcome to Vuzzare. So this is the third part of Java Applet series. So in the first two videos we have seen how to run Applet in Java in VS Code, and in the second one we learned how to make rectangle and how to make the comments so that Applet can be run correctly. So in this video we will learn how to draw rounded rectangle using Applet. So we will use g.draw round rect. So we have to give 6 coordinates in this case, which is x, y, width, height, arc width and arc height. So we will give the x and y coordinate as 40, 40 and height as width as 200 and height as 100 and arc width as 30 and arc height as 40. No, arc width as 30 and arc height as 40. So we will try to run it now. So what we will do is same way javac and the name of the file, which is applet2.java, and we will use in the next one we will use applet viewer applet2.java. So this gives us a rounded rectangle. The corners are rounded in this case compared to normal rectangle, and we can also give some higher values which will show how much rounded the values can get, or for some clear picture. So we will just compile this program and use applet viewer. So in this case you see it's much more rounded in this case. So this is one program, and we can also draw rounded rectangle, but it is fill in this case. So we have to do same thing, which is draw. So we use this time fill. So instead of draw we use fill, and everything will be same. And what we do is compile our program and applet viewer. So this gives us a filled rectangle with rounded edges. And now we will see how to draw oval in applet. So what we will do is g dot. So this time we will do g dot draw oval, and we have to give 4 values, which is x, y and the width and height. So for oval also we have to do the same thing. So in this case we give the x value as suppose 20, 20, and the width and height as 160, 60. And now if we try to run our program, this will give us the value as, the output as, see, this is the oval which we get. So this is the arc width and this is the height. And suppose if we increase the height by 260, so let's suppose if we increase the height to 260, so the oval will be of different shape in this case, something like this. Yeah, the oval will be like this, because this time the height is more, so the height of the oval will be more and it will still be an oval. And what we will do now is we draw fill oval. So let's draw one more, g dot fill oval, and again the same values, x, y, height and width. So suppose the x value is 20, and this time also not 20, not this time we give the value as 60, 60, or suppose the value as 300, and we give the height as 50 and this width as 150. And let's suppose, so 2 ovals will be drawn, one will be filled one and the other one will be unfilled. So this is our first one, the one we made earlier, and this is a new one which we made now. As you can see here, this is the oval using fill oval. So this is how you can do different type of experiments and give different type of coordinates, different types of values, and see how the value gets different. Suppose if we give the value 20 and try to run it, the output will be different. See, it will be like this because width is 160, so width is more, so it will lie more inclined to the width to the x-axis, and height is less, so it will have lesser inclination towards the y-axis. So this was one program in Java to run applets. In the next one we will see arcs in Java applet.